Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this easy party makeup look and wedding makeup look. If you want to know how I create this look, keep watching. First I'm applying this Blue Heaven makeup fixer. Then I'm using little bit of this I'm using this Ali Colors Pout Lip Gloss Matte in shade Kissable. I'm using this as my eyeshadow. That's it. Now I'm using this blending brush and I'm taking this shade in my crease. Now I'm using this Maybelline Eyestudio eyeliner. Applying same in my waterline too. Lakme CC cream. This Maybelline Masterchrome in shade 100 Molten Gold. Taking this blending brush and blend the edges. For concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in shade medium, Tammy. Blush. To set my concealer, I'm using this Rehman Stay Matte powder. And for baking, I'm using this Rehman Match Perfection Silky Nude powder. I'm using this angle brush and this brown color. Fill my brows. I'm taking same brush and I'm using these two color and applying under my For bronzer, I'm using this NYX matte bronzer. Using this True Lips lip liner in shade 0556. And for lipstick, I'm using this Relvon Ultra HD matte lip color in shade Seduction. This is the silver eyeliner. I'm dusting this all. I'm using same lipstick as a blush. And for highlighting my face, I'm using this same masterchrome. I'm taking a little bit of this brown lip pencil. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. And I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Express mascara to set my brows.